Today's lesson on what is propaganda. Information of bias and/or misleading nature, which is used to promote a particular political party. An example of propaganda is the Nazi Party. They used their propaganda to lead the German people to do horrific things. These posters each represent certain forms of propaganda. The left shows the Nazi symbol on a boot stepping over. Here we have something similar, which is the woman and the baby, and the grabber, and that's supposed to represent. The last two we have war recruitment posters. This isn't so much propaganda, but it does advise somebody interest with war. So, why is propaganda dangerous? Propaganda has been proven to be dangerous because it's used to make people blindly passionate towards a cause. People tend to do terrible things under the weight of propaganda. Propaganda is something that is used by government to appeal to a sense of patriotism. When talking about blindly passionate, I'm referring to white supremacist groups like the Nazi Party, groups who seem to have a mob mentality. The people who have used propaganda, these are the two most famous: Adolf Hitler. Hitler has massacred